So hello friends, my name is Rahul Chaudhary and today we are going to uh, learn about classes and objects. This is just a general syntax that will show how we can create a class and an object or an instance. So let's start. Here we have written class car. It is just a general syntax where this class is writing this class is mandatory and this car is the class name and the C in the car should always in capital letter. That is the rule. Then we have written a function in it is called basically init method, and I have called it function, but it is not a function exactly. We will always call this a method because it is inside a class. And this init method we can also refer it as a constructor because this is the method, a special method that sets up the object with initial values, and we can also call it as a constructor. And this self that we are given inside the parenthesis is responsible for linking the class and the object, and these are the attribute 1 and attribute 2 brand and models. Then here we are assigning this self dot brand is equal to brand. Here we are basically assigning values to attribute 1, like in brand. Here we are assigning the self dot brand is equal to brand, means assigning the value to attributes. And again same in this syntax also. And then again we have defined a method with method name full underscore name, which will return us the value that is inside the brand variable and the model and the value inside the model. Now coming to next, we have created the object of my underscore car, and we have passed the arguments as Toyota and Corolla. This will get in the brand, the Toyota will get inside the brand and the Corolla will get inside the model. And then again and coming to next, we have written some print statement like print my underscore car dot brand. This will print Toyota Toyota as a value. My underscore car dot model will print Corolla, and this and the line number 12 print my underscore car dot full name. It is here we are accessing the method that is inside the class, which will return us the value inside the brand and the value inside the model. So it will print the entire name Toyota Corolla. So let's run it and see what is the output. As we can see, the output is Toyota Corolla and then Toyota Corolla. So this is just a general syntax of how to create a class and an object and passing the arguments to the class itself. Hope you understand the video and enjoyed it. Thank you.